Welcome back for another video, guys, and today we are going to be talking about how you can grow a small account trading forex without all the crazy risks. So we are going to cover how you can do it, from the strategies you can trade that work with small accounts, risk management, the scaling of the accounts, keeping track, and everything you need to know that help me grow small accounts to big size profits. You can do same. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first thing we are going to start with is understanding risk management, because risk management is one of the most important things in trading a big or small account. Now, in my own time of trading small accounts, personally, I like to risk 10% in trade, right? 10% in trade is like my standard. So let's take it to practical now. $100 account, right? You can risk $10 per trade. That is 10% of the accounts. And for someone like me that has a good risk reward ratio, I can see a trade of 1 to 5, 1 to 4, risk $10, make $50, make $40, and you can see that compound over time. Let's take it down to sizes as low as $20. If you have a $20 account, you can see that 10% of $20 is $2, and if you have a risk ratio of, let's say, 1 to 5, you see a trade of 1 to 5, risk 2, you can make $10 per trade, and you can see that is actually a very, very good way to trade, because you're risking 10% of the account to make 50%. Then for those that even want to go as low as trading 10%, I'll ask you to just increase your risk tolerance. Be ready to risk $2 to $3 per trade on a $10 account, because the $10 account is very, very low. Though it can still be done, you can trade crazy risk reward and flip the account at the go. But if you want to manage risks, I would say at least $2 per trade. So you can see that you have 5 trades. If you lose the 5, you lose the account or to work with. Now that we understand risk management, I'm going to talk about compounding. And compounding a small account really takes time. You understand? So one way I like to compound, let's say I have a $50 account and I'm risking 10% per trade, that is $5 per trade. Let's say over the span of 1 month, 2 months, I take that $50 to about $150, right? I've tripled my account. So my account is at $150, right? What I'll do is not to go and withdraw everything. Instead, out of that $150, I'll take out $50, which is my initial deposit. That was my risks for the account. So now you can see that as I've taken my initial deposits, we are trading risk free. We are trading on the profit you have made, and now you can take your time, focus, and just keep growing, compounding. That is how it works. There is no magic. Now I'm going to talk about the pairs, instruments you should be trading on small accounts, because believe me, you will not like to be trading a $10, $20 account anywhere near pairs like gold, BTC, US30, very, very volatile pairs. Though you can still do it and be profitable, but that takes experience. If you know you are not experienced with these pairs, just chill, go to pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, we have USD card. Those pairs are very good for small accounts and they will not wipe you easily. Why I'm saying stay away from gold or BTC or US30, because the risk for a $20 account is $2, and you go to trade gold. A standard gold trade for me personally, using 0.01 lot, the lowest lot size you can use, your stop loss would have to be $3 for you to do that trade in between space, and you see now you cannot reach that $2. So that is what I'm saying. Stay away from high volatile instruments like gold, BTC, USD that actually demand you to give them enough BTC space because they are very volatile. But you can work with pairs like GBP USD, those other major pairs that actually go well. I mentioned for GBP USD, Euro USD, USD card, USD JPY. I'm mentioning it now. Those pairs are actually very good for small accounts. You can comfortably reach even $1 on the trade, $2 on the trade. So you can see it will even work well for $10 accounts. Period. Strategies that work well for trading small accounts. And firstly, I'm going to start off with swing trading or holding trades, whatever you want to call it for. Holding trades on a small account is a very, very effective way to grow the account over time. You understand? That is where risk reward ratio comes in. Let's say on your $20 account you risk $2 on the trade and you're making a 1 to 10. You feel me? You're making a 1 to 10, and that trade, let's say, is held for 2 days. You risk 2, you make 20. Your account is double 40. Now you can withdraw your initial deposits risk free, trade your profit. accounts. That's a holding trade. Works very well with small accounts. Apart from the strategy that I just mentioned now, you need to have a plan in place, a trading plan in place, from what time you enter the market, which session you trade, which pairs you trade, how you trade, when you stop trading. Everything needs to be mapped out, planned out for you to execute. You understand? So you need to even plan your stop losses, your take profits, placements, know why you do everything you do. Apart from the charts, prepare yourself, be ready. Make sure you make the plan and make sure you stick to the plan, because actually being disciplined and following the plan you set for yourself is one thing that will keep you consistent in the long run. And remember, we are trying to compound the accounts, not just flip it short term. It can be done, but the goal here is long-term consistency. Another thing I would like to say is, for your strategy and your trading plan, start with demo first. Before you go put that money that maybe all you have, or even for some that have more, don't even waste the money. Start with demo. Practice on demo. See if your plan is actually consistently profitable. If you can trade the way you're going to trade for a month and you come out in blue, in profits, okay, that is 1 month worth of data showing that it works. Do it for 2 months, 3 months, you can go live. Now you have the confidence needed to actually enter and say, okay, I will confidently follow my plan because it works, and even though I see a bad week, I lose in a week, I'll still keep going. The plan has been proven. So make sure you backtest, use demo till you're ready, till you're confident, and you will just see that your confidence is going to really help you in your trading. For those that actually deal with emotions, like emotional trading, like me personally, I dealt with emotional trading and it's not a nice thing to deal with. I'll really advise you journal. Take time out every day. Once you're done trading, journal. You can do it on your phone, on a book. I personally use my phone, Google Notes, and I have data backed for this. Journaling helps. That's all I can say. To summarize the long speech I'm going to give, journaling helps. It helped me so much. It will show you your mistakes, show you how to come out of those mistakes, and if you do eventually, when you find yourself in another mistake, you can go back for reference. Okay, how did I get out of the other mistake? You do it again. Journaling is too important in trading. That's all I'll say. It is too important. I cannot overemphasize it. And another thing I would like to talk about is actually dealing with the losses. How do you deal with the losses? For me, I take time off the charts. If I find myself in a losing week, let's say I lose 3 days in a row, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday I'm done. Take time off, chill, because time off the chart is, believe me, it's valuable. You may be thinking, no, as a trader I have to trade, I will trade every day. Actually don't. Take some time off the charts, get ready, come back strong, come back fresh, everything clear head, and execute. That is just it. Also, you have to be very patient. Patience is another thing that will help. That is where taking time off the chart comes in. For you to be even able to take time off the chart shows you have a level of patience to wait for the next week, come back, hop on the charts, get back to work. Now that we have talked about almost everything, I'm going to talk about keeping track of your data. That's also done through journaling, and you want to make sure you're keeping track of everything you're doing trading. Keep track of your data, keep track of your wins, your losses, what is working for you, what is not working for you, so you can reduce the bad things, increase the good things, and you'll see that will lead to more growth over time. And also, as you're keeping track of your wins, keeping track of your growth, like I said at the beginning, let's say you started off with that $50 account, you take it to 150, you withdraw the 50, now you're 100. You can see now that 10% of 100 is $10. So now you're no more risking that your $5 for your $50 account, you're risking $10 for your $100 account. Now you can see you have the potential to make so much more money because you stayed consistent, you were patient, you scaled up your account. Now you've reached a certain threshold or point that you can increase your risk. So for $5, you're now risking $10 a trade. You do the same thing when you hit $150, you risk $15 per trade. As you're scaling up, you're increasing your risk, and you will see that you will keep compounding till you can choose to maybe be okay with your profits, withdraw, or keep scaling up your accounts. It's all up to you. One thing I love to point out is that everybody is different. Everybody's time is different. So Maybe seeing people do $10 to 1,000 maybe in a month, in a week. Just leave social media for some time. Stop looking at other people. Focus on you. Somebody can do it in a day, I don't know, but you're different. Focus on yourself. Take the time it will take for you. Be patient and be happy with your progress. We are talking about long-term consistency. I've repeated this severally. It will take time. Good things take time. Be willing to put in the work and see your progress over time. That is where patience comes in. Be patient. Growing a small account actually takes discipline, takes patience. Compounding takes discipline, takes patience. So you need to have all these values, and they just don't come overnight. You need to actually train yourself, and those your plans will put you in a good place, in a good position for you to actually grow these values and stick and follow them in your trading. It's basically not that hard, guys. I've actually done it before. I've grown small accounts to big amount of profit, and like I said, I literally follow these rules I gave to you, and one that actually helped me so much was the increasing the lot size as you compound. When I reach a certain threshold, I increase my risk, and really help. That is one of the most, I won't really say the most important, because that is just profit wise. The most important thing I've said here is risk management, because that is what saves your capital, preserves you. You understand? So yeah, guys, that is basically how you can grow small accounts. I'm giving you all you need to know to grow small accounts, compound it over time. And if you find any of this helpful, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, watch out for more videos from me. I'll be dropping more and more content to help you guys, I promise, because we in this together, bro. Everybody can do it in trading if you set your mind to it. There's nothing you can't achieve. So I did it, you can do it, believe me. You don't have to go there looking for $1,000 and all that. You can do it. So yeah, that's all, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below, and yeah, I'll do well to answer every comment I can. Hit the like button again, subscribe, make sure you are subscribed, turn on notifications, so YouTube can help recommend this video to other people that will find this helpful. Love, guys.